Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the mention sticker on your TikTok videos. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So mention stickers are to be used when you want to dedicate or include someone on your TikTok videos. User can add it in the description or they can add it directly on the video. So open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on the plus sign to post a video. You can record your own video or upload a video from the gallery. In the video editing screen, tap on the sticker option at the bottom. Now find the @mention sticker and tap on it. Tap on the mention and enter in the name of the person you want to mention in the video. The names need to be the users of TikTok. If they're one of your followings, leave it blank and at the bottom you can swipe right or left to select the users you follow. Now you can move this tag anywhere you like and resize it as per your liking. You can change the duration or edit the text by tapping on it. Then once you're done, go ahead and post it to TikTok. And that is how to use the mention sticker on your TikTok videos. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.